Stick with me tonight. We're shooting another downtown session. Blue hour, gonna be awesome. Just about sunset. We are on the Center Street Bridge. That's the Center Street Bridge lion up there. That's actually his butt. We're gonna shoot the Center Street Bridge actually from the hill just over here. Let me show you. That's the hill we're gonna go on. Stick around, gonna be a good one. So after hunting around for a while, this is what I found. Instead of going horizontal, we're going vertical on this composition. We're shooting between this light tower and that light tower right there, getting the Calgary Tower and the Bull Building and Center Street Bridge and the Bull River all in one shot. As the light drops and the building lights go on, longer shutter speed will have to happen. I might throw on an ND filter just to make it a longer shutter speed to draw out those headlights a little bit. We'll see what happens here. Sunset's happening. Never fails though. The sky over the tower is okay, but look at over here, the drama that's happening there. Why couldn't the tower be over there? So what I'm gonna do is I'll do the shot here vertically, and then I'll go up the hill a little bit and see if we can't get a horizontal. When I go up the hill though, I'm gonna lose the tower. Where's the tower? I'm gonna lose the tower behind the Bull Building, but it still should be a great shot. It just doesn't mean it's iconically Calgary, but sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches and get what you get. Now all I have to do is sit and wait. Hopefully we get some good stuff tonight. The only issue I'm having right now is right here. There is a street sign. Easy to fix, get rid of it with a healing brush. Otherwise, I think we've got a pretty good composition here. What I'm hoping is going to happen is, because we've got those clouds, as the sun starts to set, I doubt it's going to happen though, that the sun's going to light up underneath those clouds. But judging what's happening over here to the west, I don't think it's going to happen. But I've been wrong before all my life, so we'll see what happens. The tower's just turned on. Let's see what happens here. So we are at 2 seconds, F11, ISO's 100. At the 2 seconds, those cars are going to be streaking pretty nicely. That actually looks pretty good. We'll wait for it to get a little darker, have a longer shutter speed. I'd like about a 3 or 4 second shutter speed, so there's long light trails from the car headlights and the tail lights, just to add another dimension. So I'm experimenting right now. We're going to do a 5-second exposure, F18. We'll get lots of nice starbursts on the street lights, and hopefully lots of traffic headlights coming through. Let's try this out. Survey says that's not bad. Okay, we're rocking 8 seconds, F18, ISO's 100. I'm going with a longer shutter speed so I can get lots of headlight trails and tail light trails in the shot. I think that might work actually really nicely. We'll try that again just to make sure. We're just going to hold tight here and do another one. Okay, that location done. We've got the one shot that I wanted. Now we're just walking up the hill a little bit to try to do a wider angle shot of downtown Calgary. We'll see if we can't get the tower in. Let's just cross the road here. We'll set up here and see what we get. I think this might work really well, actually. So what I thought would happen has happened. By moving up the hill a bit, we've lost the Calgary Tower behind the Bull Building there, right over there. But we'll still pop the shot. We're F18, 15 seconds, ISO's 100. Still should be pretty tasty though. The light's really nice and soft right now. One thing that has happened is the street light behind me is turned on, and that's caused light spill on these thistles that are purple in front of me. So I've gone with a vertical composition, put them in the foreground as our anchor. Let's pop a shot at f8 and see what we get. I'm gonna shoot this exit now while I got light, so you already saw what happens. I hope it turned out. In the meantime and in between time, I'll catch you next time.
And here are the two shots that I had in mind when I first got to the Center Street Bridge. Blue hour, clouds, city lights, car light trails. Oh, so tasty. And as always, ring that bell for notifications and rock that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, you guys.